According to oral history of Ile-Ife, ORANFE, later known as Shango, the deity and custodian of fire and lightning, was sent down from heaven to Ile-Ife even before the arrival of Oduduwa, the progenitor of Yoruba race. ORANFE may have died several centuries ago. Its worshippers in Ile-Ife believe a spirit behind fire and lightning is still very much alive, hence the need to celebrate and worship it.
All what humans need is here in ORANFE. If a woman is looking for a child too, if he came to ORANFE, he will give birth.
ORANFE was made with fire. No, God beat ORANFE with fire. That's why they call him ORANFE. Onile na okarajibo akwerejewe egbegbe.
The Oni of Ife, Obadiyeye Ogunwusi, said he has a primary responsibility of protecting and projecting Yoruba deities for the world to see their positive sides instead of hyped negativities.
All these deities are messengers of God. They are nature all the way. There is nobody that can do without nature. Be it pastor, reverend, pope, imam, the sheikhs of this world, the kings of this world. You can't do without nature.
The first-class monarch said technological and scientific civilization started from Ife, thanks to the spiritual prowess of the Ife deities. Oni Ogunwusi believes the day the black man begins to cherish his cultural heritage, things will begin to work for him.
The day we become our brother's keepers, we will see deeply the usefulness of all these deities, because all these deities are being used to develop computer. Computer technology is based on binary, zeros and ones, and that's Ifa mythology for you.
The annual ORANFE festival is celebrated in Ile-Ife to honor the contributions of the deity of fire and lightning to human growth and development. Ibrahim Alige, TVC News, Ile-Ife, OSUN State.